Hello friends, you're welcome back again to our channel, the Chima Dedication channel. Now this is for educators, yes, and online coaches. Now there are so many platforms out there you can use to share your knowledge, your skill, your expertise, and make money. But most of them there you have to spend, and you know what it means. You are starting new, you don't know what the business will bring about, whether you're still going to make profits, you're going to make it in the long run. You have already started spending money. So in this video I want to show you how to create online courses, launch online classes with free tool, Google tool. Very simple. Over the years, when I started online teaching an online course, I used Thinkific, very powerful tool. That Thinkific, they are teachable. Thinkific was the best for me. Very powerful. Till today, I still love it. But it's not free. Though they have a free version, but to have the best, you need to, spend some money. Very good. But let me tell you, Google does much more wonderful. So I'm introducing to you to not just Google Classroom. That is the main. But one good thing about Google Classroom is that it syncs and works together with every other Google tools. Because when you are creating an online course, online class, online school with Google Classroom, you discover in the course of time that you're going to need a lot of other tools. You're going to create assignments, you're going to create your classes, you're going to have interactive sessions and all that. And all of these things are all Google tools, free tools you can use. So as an educator, don't just limit yourself to that walls of your classroom where you have 30 children, 20, 15. You can reach out to the entire world. That is brand visibility for you. And much more, that is money for you. So look at it. Now let me show you, this is a Google Classroom already. You can see I have some classes here already. Now I will show you something. All the classes you are seeing here, in some of them, I'm a teacher. In some of them, I'm a student. How do you know? Look at this one. Teach online with Google Classroom or Google Teach. I have 4 students here. I'm the teacher in this class. This one, YouTube monetization, is my class. Online class on Google Classroom. You can see with my account, I can build so many of these classes. So if I'm a multi-talented person, coach, who want to teach on health, I want to teach on religion, I want to teach on so many things, I can create different classes. And all of these are free. And one good thing about this is a class, it's like a hosted class. You prepare your courses and put there. When people register, they go and learn on their own. You're not going to be killing your time coming up with. So all you need to do, take your time, build your class, and send men and women the students to the class. They pay you, they learn. And that class you have built today, you can use to make money even in the years to come. Now look at this one. I'm just a student. This one, I'm just a student. And now some of these ones you see me being students as my students. These are people I trained in this, and they're my students. So when I ask them, create a class, add me as your students, that's one of the ways you practice. So you can see them, you can see this one. I'm a student here. I'm the teacher in this class. I have 14 students here in this class. Here I'm a student, here I'm a student. Some of these people, like I said, are my students that created class and join me add me as a student while they are the teachers, because that's part of the practical thing you do while you are learning. So here I'm a student. Here is my class also. I have 5 students here. Here I'm a student. Here I'm a student. Here I'm a student. Here is another class. I have 11 students. You see it. This is a class. It's my own class, but you can see I don't have any students yet. So I have 0 students because I have not yet actually promoted it. I've not even announced. I've not even built the class the way I ought to build it. Now this is also my student, my class, 5 students. I'm a student here, I'm a student here. This is also my class, 7 students. You can see these ones. So many of them, you can have them. This is my class on Igbo language. I have just one student there. This is my class on blogging. I have 2 students. This is my class on post UTME class. That's JAM class or whatever, post UTME or whatever. This is my class. I have 7 students there. This is my class. I have 1 student here. I have 2 students, and so many of them. You can see this one, junior secondary classes. Just want to try. I have 3 students. This one, senior secondary, I have 6 students. This one, I have 14 students. This one, 16 students. So many of these classes hosted under one account, and that's how online platform works with Google Teach. Some of these other sites I'm talking about, think that they charge heavily. You may not have the privilege to build all of these things. You can see. So as a teacher, please, anytime you're talking about how do I start teaching online, start with Google Teach. Don't break your hairs, going through all those stuff that are going to take you time to understand and all that. So what I've just showed you now, very easy. You can create multiple classes, and doing this, how to create class now is a different ballgame altogether. How to create the class itself. You launch a class with Google Teach, because in that class, online class, you need to build your scheme. You need to build your sections. You need to know how to, post your class materials. You need to know how to set questions, all these class activities, as well as continuous assessment, or the one that may be like exam, whether objective or theory. You need to know how to do this. You need to have interactive class with your students where children can interact, I can install. You need to know how to, engage, also integrate video conferencing, where you have live tutoring with the students. You see them, they see you. That's where Google Meet comes. All this can be integrated into the main classroom, the Google Classroom. So as an educator anywhere in the world, you need this, and Google operates even where you are right now. Now the question you may be asking yourself, okay, I can do this, how do I start? The view that even in this video, there's no way I'll be able to teach you all of these things. So that's why I'm encouraging you, please, anywhere you are as a teacher, anything, anywhere, I want to encourage you to join our class on this Google Classroom for online teaching. Google Teach for online teaching. Join us. And now all I'm going to do, I'm going to open it. Let me open it for you to see. This is our class. Be able to see most of our lessons are already here. You see our lessons. You see our module 1. You see module 2 lessons. So many lessons are there. You see module 3. All these lessons are ready for you, and so many of them assessment page and everything once. You have questions, you ask. You learn at your own pace. Everything, every video guide, every test guide are all in that class. And the same way, by the time you are done learning these things, the same way when you build your class, your students will be able to, you can go to sleep. Like I said, the class you build today can be accessible in the next 100 years. Can still make you money in the next 100 years. And that's how this stuff works. So I'm inviting you to join our class. You're going to see the link. That is the link that takes you to my WhatsApp. So by the time you click on it and join my WhatsApp, indicate that you want to join our class on Google Classroom, and I will gladly show you the next step to be part of this class. And I tell you, number one thing you have to know is not a free class, but the second thing you have to know is a very cheap one. It's not free, but it's so cheap. You're not expected to spend a whole lot of money, but everything you need from A to Z is in this class. So I want to see you the other side. I want to stop at this point. If you have a question, use the comment box. If you're already using it and you have some question you want me to ask without joining the class, I will still help you. I will do that. Please don't forget to share this video, and if it makes sense to you, give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time of seeing our videos, or you've been coming but you're not thinking about following us, please do it. Subscribe to our channel and let's roll together. I will stop at this moment. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.